Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a DEK unboxing. So let's see what's here. I don't know what this is. I kind of want to think it might be mystery. It might not be. I don't know. Let's see. So if you guys don't know, there are a couple, let me put that over, of DEK kits. Boxes, subscription boxes that are totally worth subscribing to. And one of them is, sorry, I'm going to wipe this down. That's been all over the floor, is the DEK mystery box and subscription box, which forever, how I found DEK, I think I placed an order. I don't know how I found them. I don't know if they found me or I found them, but I really don't know how that happened, or maybe somebody sent me some stuff. But anyway, so this is, let me see real quick. I think this is in order. Let me see. And, yep, it looks like an order. Okay. So, anyways. But the mystery box and the subscription boxes are fantastic, guys. Seriously, you can never go wrong with those. And for those of you who are pinching your pennies, might I encourage you? They are the best thing since peanut butter and jelly. So, ooh, Dawn put some extras in. Oh, I love this. Oh, so beautiful, Dawn. Thank you. So, if you guys don't know who Dawn is the D of DEK, and Emily and Katie are her daughters. So, it is a truly woman-owned business and family business. So, oh, that's so cute. It's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. It sounds a lot like Diana Reevely. Oh, look. I love this. So these are the PR team. She puts these together for us as a sweet gift. So this is the PR team I'm on. And I'm also on the design team. So I love that. Oh, I didn't order this either. Oh, I love that. That gingham is so pretty. That robin egg blue. Isn't that pretty with all the foiling? Okay, so let's see here. Oh my gosh, I absolutely will be planning with this today. Yes. Oh my gosh, vintage spring. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so here are the girls. Love, they're so cute. The flowers, that is so cute. Oh, I love the butterflies. I don't know if I should plan with this or give this to my youngest because these are her things. She loves the butterflies. I love the flowers. Oh, love it. And that is silver foiled. So beautiful. I don't know. This says sewing in it. I might want to keep it. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh. So I was online today ordering the rest of the Passover Easter stuff for our family. And I ordered the cutest bunny backpack for my granddaughter and the little tiny bunny to put in it. And so I hope she's going to enjoy it. And the backpack is going to be so soft and plush, and she could use it like a pillow. And she doesn't go to school, though I think they're thinking about Mother's Day out. I know, right now, I know. But not our decision. That's theirs. And also, they're thinking about, and they've gone back to church. So I thought, oh, I could give her that, you know. I love this. This is called Pinkaholic. Oh, I love it. Oh, man, isn't that darling? Oh, my gosh. Sorry if I'm missing some of these. I'll make sure I hold them down. Oh, that is too cute. Pink hair. Oh, my gosh. Look at that dripping in pink. Isn't that cute? The washi. Dawn is so creative. Doggone it. So cute. Oh, I love this. Isn't that beautiful? And the washi and the weekend and then the scalloped washi. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, the eyelet, the banner, the scallops. I love it. Look at the decoratives. Oh my gosh. I love this. It's so junk journal-y. Oh my goodness. Okay, Dawn, if you're watching this, love, love, love that junk journal look. Love the layered. Love the mixed media. Doggone, you did it right. You did it right. Oh, I love this. So let me encourage you. So when you guys order off of DEK, it's a little bit more to get the foiling unless it's like the weekend, or it's the freebie kit on Wednesdays, Wednesday hump day. So I would love to say, guys, always get the foiling. You can just see everything so much better, and it just makes everything just pop. I mean, look at that. And that's that gold halo foiling. Isn't that pretty? I know. Okay, so the next kit. All right. So what I'm doing is I stack them and then I load them and put them where I'm going to plan with them. I absolutely adore this one. This one is Haute Couture. I love this. And if you guys didn't know, we used to have a spinning, weaving, and sewing store. And then we also did miniature wedding replica as well as couture dress mini replicas. And so this is way too much fun. Oh my goodness. Look at this sewing. I love that. I love that, Dawn. Thank you. And I love the rose gold. Goodness gracious. And the pink, kind of pinkish mauve. I love this. Oh, so pretty. Such pretty girls. And then here's the washi. I love that. Ugh. Dawn, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like you almost made it with me in mind. I'm sorry, and I know you didn't, but this is so, wow. This is so replica of what we used to have. It's amazing. And we would go to sewing, kind of like, what do you call them? Not marketplace, but sewing, design, conference type things, but that's not what they were called. Anyways, too much fun. I mean, we really got into all that. It was a lot. It was very creative and I loved it. And we did it until I broke my hand and it was just so much fun. I love it. I have not sewn anything hardly since then. So I'm excited. Once I get out there, I can sew and I will be so happy to sew again. Ah, this is so pretty, Dawn. You did such a great job. And we can see to write on these. I love that. Look at this. It's got that peach and mauve. Ugh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous with that rose gold? Goodness gracious. You got the labeled headers, the glitter headers, the date dots, and then more of those icons. Ugh, gorgeous. Ooh, okay. So these are Vaccinations. I got my shot. Love that. And then it says, vaccinated, hug me. That's so cute. So cute, Dawn. I love that. Okay, and then I got an extra one of the COVID kits. Isn't that cute? I have been working some on getting my COVID stuff prepared, so I can't wait. Oh, this is so stinking cute. And I love the extra thin washi. That is perfect for a journal. That is perfect, Dawn. Oh, my goodness. The gel, that's so funny. Stay home, the COVID virus, the toilet paper. I was watching someone's pantry room haul this morning, and they were showing their pantry storage, and then they quoted what happened to Texas, and it was like, yeah, we learned a lot too. And I love the checkoffs. They look almost like the Corona little, yeah, isn't that cute? Look at the decoratives. Oh my goodness, so cute. The school bus. Oh my goodness, so cute. Always be kind, dream big, never give up, be the nice kid. I love this. So, and of course, this is really a kid's, but you know what? Anybody can use it. And homework could be anything. It doesn't have to be that. And school could be online school, okay? So it doesn't have to be for kids. All right. Oh, goodness. I love this. Well, the reason this appealed to me, and this is kind of from the Plan to Be Fun section, which is where this other one was from. So this is kind of like kid version for kids who keep planners. But you know what? I'm a kid at heart and I love it. So King of the Pond, my parents went to TCU. So you know that really got me right there. And TCU are the horned frogs. And so, yeah, so I always gave my mom and dad frogs. And then, of course, I had to do something with the bunny. And then there's Boo Bear and Hippo. But so cute. Of course, I love fish. And my dad had ponds with fish and lily pads and things like that in his backyard. We had a low spot, and it kept the water from flooding into the garage. And so he was very smart how he did all that. And then the people bought the property. They filled in the pond, and guess what happened? It flooded. They converted the garage, and then they flooded it. I know, it was horrible. We saw it at one point. We thought about buying my parents' house at one point. I love the bunny. So cute. I miss my parents so much. Anyways. I love this. It's so sweet. I love that. So their colors were, TCU were purple and white. So I've been working on putting together a gift for my sister and my brother next year for Christmas. It'll be pictures of them in a journal with things like this. And then things for me to journal about them. So it even comes with the date dots and all of those. So neat. I may order more of this because I really love it. And I've got a really wonderful reward from DEK. And I think I will use it for this. So, and thank you guys. I only get those rewards because of y'all. And I want to thank y'all. All of you who support me and purchase with my name in the link below. I really appreciate it. And you know, it really is helping me to make gifts for others. We also have at the 1400 mark, I'm giving away a huge DEK giveaway. I'm giving away 2 gifts. So it's going to be amazing. So I'm super excited. So keep signing up. Just subscribing if you're not subscribed. You have to be subscribed to be entered into that giveaway. But look at the frogs. Aren't those cute? Oh, look at this. Little ones' coffees. I don't believe in giving children coffee. I will tell you that. Just because I worked with so many children over the years and diet was a big thing. Especially with special needs kids. So I'm not a huge coffee, give it to your kids person. So ever. But anyways, but I think this is cute. Oh, I love these. The one thing I like about these kits are the extra thin washi. I love that, Dawn. Especially for people who use Hobonichis. Or TNs. These are perfect for TNs. Matter of fact, these may be my TN ones I use. So cute, Dawn. Ah, look at this. Love it. And if you don't need this, give it to like your niece or your nephew or somebody who's in school who keeps a planner or a notebook of their chores or their schoolwork or their homework or whatever. This is perfect for them. Perfect. Or in college. Aren't those cute? She did such a cute, fun job with this. I love the art palette. Isn't that fun? Cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is my first of 3 hauls. I will be back with 2 more. This was the smallest, I know. So, and I just got a notification. I've got one at the post office. So, Dawn sent me some good stuff. Thank you, Dawn. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Excuse my painted on table. You know it's an artsy table if it's painted on. And I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for being here. So much. I'm so appreciative of all of you. And I really appreciate it when you like and subscribe and leave a comment. It helps so much. Okay, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. I'm going to come back with haul number 2. And then I've got some plan with me's to do today. So, okay, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.